author, chef, and fitness expert Danielle Formaro. Good morning.
Good morning, Kayla. How are you today?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm very excited because I'm about to share with you one of my favorite dishes for summer. And what I love so much about summer, and I bet you can agree, is grilling. Grilling is one of my favorite things because it's easy, it's not messy, all the mess is outside, but it's healthy. And it's just fresh and healthy and crisp. And again, simplicity when it comes to healthy food. And eating well is really important. Wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely. Especially, sometimes, especially for me, the easier the better.
Yes, and that's why food is so intimidating to so many people is they think it's going to take so long. But in fact, it actually, if you have just few ingredients, sometimes less is more, as they say. Yeah. So today, Kayla, I'm going to show you how to make a grilled tuna steak with a spicy jalapeno salsa. Are you ready to get into this?
Oh, I am so ready. Let's do it. It sounds great.
All right, let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we will do is take about I did plum tomatoes, 3 chopped tomatoes. All right, so we're going to put that into a dish. We're going to start our salsa, okay? Then I have about half a cup or so of chopped onion. I like red onion because it's a little bit more flavorful, but you can use white if you'd like to.
Sure.
Then I have 1 chopped jalapeno. Now, the spicier, if you want it super spicy, leave the seeds. But if you just want some heat, but you don't want it overwhelming, you can remove the seeds before you put it in. I'm going to add some cilantro. Okay. What do you think so far?
It sounds great. I'm interested. The seeds actually add a little spice in the jalapenos?
Yes, so the seeds are what makes the jalapeno spicy, extremely spicy. So if you remove the seeds, you remove some of the heat. I see you learned something new today. So think about red pepper flakes, right? Those are all the little seeds.
Sure.
So yeah, that's where all the spice is.
Good to
know.
know.
Something new today.
I am, absolutely.
Yeah, and then so lastly, we do have to balance this all off. So I'm going to add 2 squeezed fresh limes, so lime juice, okay? Now that's it. I'm going to mix it up. How easy was that? Wasn't that so easy already?
Very. Absolutely. It's already seeming like something that I can do. So that's what I like. Again, the easier the better. And it looks delicious.
It's so inviting.
Yeah.
But here's the key, Kayla. You have to let it marinate. So I will put this aside. I did put it in the fridge yesterday and I let it sit all night. If you don't have all night, 4 hours is plenty to let this sit, to really let the flavors marry each other. So I'm just going to put this over here for now. And then I've got a fresh one here. So now what we have to do is grill the tuna. Now, I did want to say you can use swordfish if you want, or another type of fish that's similar. It all tastes great, but I personally love tuna. So I'm going to put a little, this is avocado oil. It's a high smoke point oil. You have to be careful with your oils. I always say this because if you don't use a high smoke point oil, you can actually cause a frying food effect on your fish. So I'm putting some salt and pepper on either side, okay? And this is all we do to season this, Kayla. Again, is this not super easy so far?
It is. It really is.
Okay, so this is the last step. We will take this. You're going to hear a loud searing noise here, okay? Oh, actually, it wasn't as loud as I thought. But I just put the tuna on the grill. Now, I have basically, a little grill pan today, but I was outside on my grill, and all I have to do is sear it on a high heat, 3 minutes each side, and you're done. So luckily I've already done this for you, so I'm going to show you the finished product.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, 3 minutes, flip, 3 minutes, and all done. Now the middle should be a medium rare. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. You can see, of course, the picture they're showing you too.
Yep.
But I'm going to show you when I open this up, you can see that there's a crust on the top and the bottom, and the middle is a medium rare. Now, if you want it cooked longer than that, you certainly can. You just have to be sure that you don't dry out your fish. But with a nice thick piece of tuna like this, it probably will take a lot to dry that out.
Sure.
Now, here's the final finale. You have to give me a drum roll because I always make you guys do drum rolls for me. You ready?
Drum rolls. Okay, I can do it. Ready?
Okay, do it. Yes, go.
Is that good enough? Is that a good drum roll?
Ready? I like your drum roll, Kayla.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so that's it. Now I'm topping the tuna with my spicy salsa. And honestly, are you kidding me? I mean, how gorgeous is this? I just hope you can see how colorful this is and beautiful, and it's so healthy. You could serve it with a side of asparagus if you'd like to, or even a side of maybe a teeny bit of basmati rice would taste nice with this, but that's it. Here you go. You've got a grilled tuna with a spicy jalapeno, and this literally will take you under 20 minutes to make.
That's so easy. And you said that food can kind of be intimidating for some people, but with that little grill that you had right there in your kitchen, I almost feel like that too kind of takes away the intimidation of grilling. For someone who's not too familiar with it, something little like that could make it more approachable.
Absolutely. Absolutely, because the grill can be intimidating. You have to light it, then you have to lift the hood, and you're like, whoa, there's just like so many things going on here, and it can be. So if you have a grill pan at home, just put that grill pan on high heat. So you need the high heat, though, to get that sear. As soon as you drop it in, it should sear it.
Sure.
You need that high heat to get the crust. So that's the trick. But absolutely, a grill pan will work just as easily. But if you want to alleviate the mess and you're comfortable with the grill, you can go outside, and then get some fresh air while you're doing it, pour yourself a drink, and it's a great night already.
There you go. And it does look good. The final product looks delicious, let me say.
Wonderful. Well, one of these days I'll have to get into the studio and bring you guys some. I know I keep teasing you, but I'll be there at some point.
All right, good. Please do. Danielle, thank you for joining me this morning and making that. It looks great.
Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful and delicious week.
Thank you. You too.